Oh, yeah. You didn't say anything. What's up, guys? Josh Cannon here with Gainz, like always. Today, I just wanted to do a switch up of my usual videos. I wanted to take you guys through my grocery shopping. Yes, grocery shopping is crucial to staying on track with your dieting, staying on track with your nutritional goals. If you're trying to gain weight, lose weight, whatever, you have to buy food, right? We can't just sit there and never eat, or else we'd be sitting there like dead body. Yeah. Eating is crucial, staying on track is crucial, having regular meals throughout the day is crucial. So the only way to do that is by shopping at the grocery store or your local food market, wherever you buy food from, to get your fresh produce and whatnot. Or, like I do sometimes, going to your mother's pantry. But today we're gonna go through how I shop at the grocery store and a few of the things that I like to pick up when shopping on a budget. A lot of people think in order to stay in shape, to get healthier, to lose weight, you have to spend a ton of money on grocery shopping. That's not true. There are a few things that if you truly are shopping on a budget, to actually save you a lot of money and not have to spend the big bucks on getting large quantities of food all the time. Usually when I go grocery shopping, I end up spending somewhere around 30 to 40 bucks. But today we're gonna try to see how little I can spend on groceries and still have enough to have enough meals to last me for a couple days while at the grocery store. For those of you that are new to my channel really revolves around fitness, motivation, just daily life tips that are going to help get you a better, healthier lifestyle, not just from what you eat, not just from working out at the gym, but a combination of all of those things. Because to live a healthy lifestyle, you not only have to have good physical health, you also have to have good mental health and a good understanding of how you want to obtain the goals that you want in life. Like always, I thank everybody that has been supportive of me on my YouTube channel since I've started. Things have really seemed to have been taking off for me here. So just keep up the support, guys. It really means a lot and I appreciate it. It's currently 9:06, so we're about to get ready to head over to Walmart. That's usually where I do a lot of my grocery shopping. All right, y'all, so my cameraman just pulled up. Say hi to Sam. Sam the man with the cam. Yeah, that's Sam, the man. Hey, Sam. What is he doing? I don't know. All right, so these are the small victories that matter, you all. Shopping cart gains. The grocery list that we're doing today is 5 days worth of groceries. So basically this gets you Monday through Friday, and then you can restock. Whenever I'm grocery shopping, I try to do it every 2 weeks or so anyway, but this is a week's worth of groceries that gets you breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a couple meals in between. My go-to greens are going to be my baby spinach. Boom, boom, boom. I love my spinach because either I'll saute that, or sometimes I'll put that in with my smoothies, or either I'll just eat a handful of spinach because I like spinach. So the spinach right here, this was about $4. So I like to stick with 2 different green vegetables, one being my spinach, another one will be either broccoli or string beans. So broccoli, you can get them at Walmart. Remember, stick with great value. It's 98 cents for a pack. This is about 2 servings of broccoli right here. So I'll get 2 of those. Next thing I like to get when I'm on a budget is, hey, you know, I can moonwalk. Hey, hey, hey. My ground turkey. So if you get the small ones, this is about 2 servings of food right here. So if you grab 2, you're usually pretty good to go. Each one of these is $2, $2.28. Got it on rollback. So you got your lean protein in to go with the spinach, which are your green vegetables. Going on to the next thing. All right, so in the morning, a clean, healthy carbohydrate source would be your regular oatmeal. Doesn't have to be Quaker Oats. You can get your good old Great Value brand. It's still just as good, but you definitely want to make sure that you get the old fashioned, not the 1 minute ready to cook, because the old fashioned is steel cut, S-T-E-E-L cut oatmeal, not like I'm stealing and putting it under my jacket and walk away. Cut oatmeal because this one will have less sodium and it's also going to be a little bit cleaner for you. Oatmeal, you can do a lot with it. You can put it also in smoothies just like your spinach. You can cook it with fruit, cook it with honey. So it's a lot of different ways. So another option other than oatmeal are going to be your pancakes if you want to get your carbs in. I love the Hungry Jacks Complete because they're gluten-free. So try to cut down on gluten because gluten is what makes your body bloat and you're gonna feel that grogginess. Just like, for example, if you eat a whole pizza and you have that feeling where you just feel totally stuffed, that's the gluten in the bread and the white flour that you're getting in the pizza and stuff like that. So same thing when it comes to pancakes. So when you stick with the gluten-free ones, you don't have to worry about all of that, and it tastes amazing with the sugar-free syrup. So that would put you at $3.97, and it makes you about 11 servings. So that's a lot of pancakes for me, or you can use them to make waffles. So try that one out. Tip, if you're looking for something sweet to sweeten up your pancakes or your oatmeal, I also use sugar-free syrup. So you don't have to worry about the guilt of having a whole bunch of syrup on your foods. If that's what you like, on your pancakes, I put syrup on my eggs, do the whole ketchup thing. So matter of fact, leave a comment below on which one you like on your eggs, syrup, or ketchup. See which one of you guys like the best. But yeah, try that out. Sugar-free. Other staple, cheap food choice that I like to get. Actually got them on sale today, 98 cents for a dozen. So 2 of those, 24 eggs. Or matter of fact, they got them for $1.45. Still good too. $1.45 for 18 eggs. 36 eggs for $2.88. So eggs, I like to eat them all throughout the day, not just for breakfast, because they're high in cholesterol, which your body needs, and they're high in protein. So yeah, and I think we're still doing fairly well with our budget. Oh, look at these. Oh yeah, you didn't say anything. You guys know a poor person's favorite vegetable? A sweet potato. Yeah, you like that? Yeah. Next thing we're gonna talk about for our budget shopping are gonna be sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a carbohydrate that are definitely healthy for you. If you're trying to lean out, if you're trying to gain weight, I love sweet potatoes. I can eat them all day. One sweet potatoes is about 2 or 3 servings. So what I do is after I bake them, I slice them up into slices, and then I'll probably split this and make this into 2 different meals. So these are 48 cents a pound. Try to find decent sized ones that are easy to bake. Make sure they don't have any holes in them. So we'll probably grab 2 of these today. Sweet potatoes and canned yams are 2 totally different things. The canned yams have a lot of sugar and preservatives in them. A nice whole natural sweet potato is your better option for you to have. For those of you that don't know, I'm a cookie fiend. I eat them fairly frequently. So to satisfy my cookie sweet tooth, I like to get the Linear Larry protein cookies. I've talked about them before in a couple of my videos, but I'm gonna take you guys and show you where you can get them in the store. And I buy them either from Walmart, from GNC. GNC has them for a pack of 12 for about 20 bucks. But if you go to Walmart, you can get a pack of 6 for $6.98. Yes, I know the price off the top of my head because I eat them a lot. Alright, so here's where they have them in Walmart. You can get them in different flavors. Chocolate chip, double chocolate chunk, white chocolate macadamia, birthday cake, snickerdoodle, and peanut butter chocolate chip. They will not have this one in GNC, so if you get them for Walmart, you're definitely going to be on the come up with those. And I'm sorry, they come with 4 cookies in the pack. So these, I don't eat them a lot, but they have 16 grams of protein. They're gluten-free, have tons of fiber, no dairy, no egg, vegan, kosher, fresh baked, so no cholesterol, no artificial sweeteners, no sugar, alcohol, and sustainable palm oil. Wonderful. And we're gonna throw that in there. And they are great if you warm them up in the microwave. So if you take them and you put them in there for 10 seconds, you have a wonderful, freshly baked cookie.
My boys did that, but...
Oh yeah?
Oh my God.
You
I
just
like down know how to shop. I'm like...
Oh no, I shop twice a week. Because what I do is I meal prep.
A lot of fresh stuff. A lot of fresh stuff.
I meal prep on Tuesdays and I meal prep on Thursdays. Because Tuesday gets me through the week. Thursday gets me Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then I start it all over again the next week. Another thing when it comes to shopping and you're trying to save money, you definitely want to factor it into your normal budget. So if you know that you have gas expenses, your utilities, your rent, all of those things, factor in your actual grocery spending, and it'll definitely help you to save money in the long run too. So with me shopping twice a week, that's me combining my overall monthly budget, which will put me at about 50 or 60 bucks for the whole entire month, which is still not bad at all, especially if you're eating 3-4 meals a day. So try to actually take that time to write down what you're gonna buy, plan it out, and then I dodged that cart. Take your time to think and plan out what you're gonna be actually buying with your food, and that's also gonna help you to save a lot of money. All right guys, so that sums up all of the things that we're gonna grab today for our shopping list. So I have my broccoli and spinach for my green vegetables. Then I have my sweet potatoes and oatmeal for my carbohydrates, tuna, ground turkey, and eggs for my protein, as well as my trusty dusty protein cookies. You all don't have to get these, but I just love cookies that much that if I'm craving them, I'll usually grab these. Your green tea, and then of course your crunchy, not funky peanut butter. I love that. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in line, and we're gonna see how much all this stuff comes up to. So I'm thinking that this will probably come up to about 30-40 bucks, give or take. But this is enough food that'll probably last me a little longer than the 5 days that I originally planned, because this breaks it down into breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack in between. And we'll probably go through and talk about breaking this up when we actually get back to the house. But let's see how much it costs. My thing is, I don't really want to buy this, but whatever. Last but not least, guys, the final item, which is going to be my crunchy, not funky peanut butter, and that'll put us at right there, $31.95. So about $2 over 30, but still within our budget. Probably take cookies out too. I really want these, so I'm gonna get them. So about to pay for this and get on going. Like I showed you on the screen and on the receipt here, we spent a whopping $38.59 after including my delectable Lenny and Larry chocolate peanut butter cookies. But you do not need those. If you just stick to the basics that I put in my shopping cart here, that's still gonna put you around 30 bucks. So like I said, this will feed you for about a week and a half of food right here. All right, so I just made it back in the house. About to put these groceries away. I hope you guys found this video helpful today on how to grocery shop on a budget. I like to always have a budget so that way I know how much money I'm spending and how much money that I am saving. Don't forget to always like, comment, subscribe on all my videos. You also get notifications when you hit the bell button at the bottom of all my videos, so that way when I put up new content, you guys get to see it first and foremost before anybody else. And like always, I am greatly appreciative for everybody that has subscribed to my channel. And until next time, guys, Gainz out.